Today we have a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is Entitled Man's Plan to Run from Police Fails Miserably.
What makes someone think they can get away from the police when the odds are stacked against them?
Hall 3, I'm going to be out with subject just on the south side of Longford Park.
10-4, I'll advise county.
And they started off running?
Dylan! Yeah, dude, unfortunately you can't be drinking in public, okay?
You want this?
I need you to have a seat. I need you to sit down, dude. Sit down.
No.
Sit down, man. You can't be drinking in public.
Not.
So what was that?
What was what?
Dude,
You're
listen.
on camera, dude.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly.
I need you to sit down, dude. You're not free to leave.
House, dude.
You're not free to leave.
Why?
Don't
Dude,
run, they gonna get you together.
I'm not.
Hall 3, I'm on Earlston with them now.
10-4.
Do you have a car?
Hey, dude, stop.
Don't do my
You're
house.
clearly intoxicated, man.
I left it. I don't have anything.
Dude, I just told you, you're not free to leave.
What's wrong with you, dude?
I just told you, you're not free to leave, okay?
Okay, you're on camera too.
That's fine.
All right, come back to my house.
Dude,
I'm
listen.
going to my house, dude.
Dude,
Nothing.
stop.
No.
I'm telling you right now, you're not free to leave.
Why? Why you got gloves on?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Do that,
Yeah,
dude.
step it up. Dude, you're not free to leave.
Relax. Relax, dude.
Dude,
Relax.
you're not free to
Get
leave.
them gloves on. He about to go to work on them, boy.
Relax.
Listen, you are not free to leave.
It's fine, dude.
10-4.
Place your hands behind your back.
No.
Place your hands behind your back, dude.
Get them together. Woo!
Stop.
I'm
Stop.
stopping, dude.
His nails
Stop
is
it up,
painted.
guys. All right?
Yeah, we're good.
You gonna stop?
Yeah. Hey, don't do that part. Hey, don't do that part. Not necessary.
Hey, stop! Stop!
I am stopping.
Listen,
On the
listen,
south side
listen.
Of, the park. We got
Listen,
county and route.
place your other hand behind your back. You are not free to leave.
I get that.
You are not free to leave. You are under arrest. Place your hand behind your back now. Place your hand behind your back. Stop. Just, he's gonna kick. Just hold his knees down. Place your arm behind your back now. He kicked me, so just be careful.
One mil pain. It just went off. I heard it beep. It was on.
Oh, okay. All right, let's roll him over.
You said my dad.
Yeah, we talked to your dad. Can you sit up for me, bud? Can you sit up for me?
Sit up. Sure.
Okay, we're gonna stand up.
Okay.
Okay.
Why don't we stay sitting?
Yeah.
Stay sitting.
All right, just stay here for a minute, all right?
Take me to my parents' house, please.
You don't have to get up yet. Eval, right?
That's fine.
Well, you want the drinking in public, number one.
Medics to check him out. Just to,
I just did. Oh, give me my backpack, please.
the medics to check him out.
Can you guys
One,
bring
can you
that
send
back
medics?
home?
Yeah, we'll take care of it, but just relax, okay?
I'm relaxing.
Alright, 10-4. And I stand corrected. County is not responding. County is not responding. I'll get medics.
That's
41-7
mine.
Earlston. Scene secure.
Scene secure, 1 mil detained.
That's mine.
10-4.
Check it out.
Dude, why are you running from me?
You saw it.
Secure. Things all right.
Didn't have to go that way.
Alright, 10-4.
All I wanted to do was talk to you.
I love you too. Give me my stuff bag. That's mine.
Did he lose any house or something?
Yeah, it's in the park over there.
Grab it?
Yeah,
Not really.
just snap a
Kinda
picture of it,
worthless,
pour it
right?
out.
Handle it?
Yeah, it's the walking path just to the south there.
I'll wait till the jump gets here.
Yeah, please wait, dude.
You're good, bud. All right.
Alright, something like that.
We spoke to county.
That's mine, you know, my parents do own that.
Yeah, I have no.
Unless they need us. Our guys in the hospital where girls.
You good?
Sorry, 10-4. We'll get the responding sheriff advice.
You guys are Downers Grove, huh?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you're in Downers Grove jurisdiction right now, bud.
Alright, I always stayed in my house, but you guys raided my house.
I didn't go to your house.
Good. Take me to my house then.
No wait on that one.
How's it going, dude?
Great.
No, he just kicked me. So. Yeah.
You guys don't have jurisdiction here?
Yes, we
Something
do.
like
We
that,
do.
whatever.
Dylan, just stop talking. Okay.
No, I'm gonna be myself.
You can talk, but you don't need to.
That's okay.
He's on a bike.
There was supposed to be one, but
He was on foot when you found him.
yeah, some lady flagged me down, just like there's a guy with a bottle of vodka. He might have just dodged you guys, been hiding in the grasses or something.
Yeah. I mean, I was looking for a guy on a bike, but I didn't see.
See, so my thing is, you know, somebody called it in because he had a bottle of liquor, but was he must have been a nuisance because just because, I mean, I don't know, but, you know, if I'm walking and I see a guy drinking or whatever, but he just minding his own business, I'm not saying anything. I don't care. You know what I mean? I like, whatever, do your thing. You know what I mean? Like, whatever, as long as you're not bothering anybody now. So I would assume that this guy was actually being a nuisance, causing a ruckus in the neighborhood. Looks like a nice neighborhood. Clearly, his probably parents live over there or nearby. He probably still stayed with his parents or something like that. But man, you know, you got to get that alcohol under control, man, because it's 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 in the morning. So, and you're already that intoxicated. You've been drinking like before that. Man, you know, alcohol could be it could be, you know, it could be a drug, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if people consider it a drug or not, but it's definitely addicting. And if people don't get a hold of that, man, it could definitely take over your life.
When I see anyone, I saw
You guys
people
take
walking
me
their
out to
dogs.
my
He
parents,
ditched them.
please.
What's that, bud?
Can you take me to my parents? Nope.
No, we cannot do that right now. I'm gonna go on mute.
I
Sorry
believe
about
so, yeah. I just spoke to the county dispatcher. I'll get confirmation.
To a lawyer, please.
We're gonna get you checked out medically first, all right? Hang tight.
Can you take me to Naperville?
That's not my decision.
Imagine waking up in the morning, looking outside your window and seeing this on your
Go
yard.
get up. Tell me I'm gonna be okay.
You're gonna be okay, man.
Keep your hand on my hand, dude.
Oh, cool.
Keep my hand on my hand. Like that.
Take a walk over there.
Thanks. No. Just sat him up as soon as he calmed down.
All right, you're gonna have a seat here, okay?
That's not
Get
good, dude.
the spots on him.
You guys okay or what?
Yeah, why not?
Let me
get this bag off you.
The bags are stuck in between his wrists.
Take your hand out of his left stuff.
Something like that. Can you loosen us a little bit? That hurts like fuck.
You said I'm gonna take it off, right?
Fine.
Do you guys want them out of cuffs altogether or recuff them up?
What's that?
You want them out of cuffs altogether now or recuff them up after we get this bag off?
You, dude. Take me to the hospital or not? I won't copy you guys.
Well, I'm just saying.
Well, I can.
Are you gonna listen to what they tell you?
Yeah,
to do?
I'll listen to you. But no way can you stop me. Can you please uncuff the right one at least?
What was the verdict on that? Oh, both of them off?
Yeah, both of them are. Well, it's not that tight actually. It's just
Please.
he's working on it, okay?
So, we're gonna get this figured out.
Okay, can you please not take my stuff? Or
No, we're not gonna take your stuff.
I'll be relaxed.
What's in your
right?
pocket? So I want to check your pockets, okay?
Pockets, okay. I'll take my pockets, but I want this stuff back.
It's going in your bag, okay?
We're bringing your bag up to the hospital.
Well, thank you.
No.
Thank you.
It's not a big deal. That's not a weapon, dude.
You're getting searched. Put your hands
All
on
right,
your head.
search me.
I would put him
You
in
can
cuffs.
search me, that's fine. Put it in the bag. I want that stuff back. I could use a cigarette. You guys do know that, right?
I think you're able to smoke in the ambulance.
I can't smoke in the ambulance, but I could call my parents from the hospital.
You absolutely can.
I definitely can.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal. Hey, what'd you grab? Hey, be careful, dude.
Take everything out of your pockets. You're good.
Put it in
It's
the
going
bag,
in your
please.
backpack, all right? It's going in your backpack.
That's my stuff.
Yeah, it's your stuff. Go
That's
grab
the
a
wrong
seat.
pocket, dude.
Grab a
I'm gonna
seat.
sit in the
Let's see it.
cot.
Yeah.
Please make sure you put that in the bag. Put that in the bag, dude. It's not your problem. Learn it if you want to.
What's the med that we need to get you filled? When are you guys coming up to the hospital? Then we got
Yeah,
the cops.
yeah. One of the guys who's riding on there.
We'll get you We'll get you taken care of, right? So hopefully it's cool. Thanks.
How you doing, dude? You okay? I love you. Can I make some calls when I get home?
When we get to the station, you can.
Okay. What's the Downerscope police station like?
The man was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and disorderly conduct.
Yeah, that's appropriate. I mean, those charges, whatever. This case is pretty, it was quite uneventful. I mean, it was just some regular stuff. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. Just make sure, get that. How many times am I gonna say, I just realized that as I'm speaking, I'm like, damn, how dumb do I sound, man? I keep saying that. But gotta get the alcohol under control. Seriously. Way too early to be drinking. Nothing to celebrate, nothing going on. Ridiculous. No need for it. Anyways, I give the officer 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.